This one? Yeah. Iddy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do you want to do ducks, frogs, or blocks? Frogs? You don't want to do any of them. Should we do frogs? We're on number 1. 1. Oh, we finished already. Okay, in the box then. Bye-bye. You missed some. How about these? Put these in first. Good girl. Oh. Should we do cars? Or puzzle? Piggy? No? These? No? This? No? What do you want to do then? You want to play shop? Chop? Bag? This bag? No? Okay. All bags? Nice? Yeah. Raspberries. Ooh. You want to draw? Oh, what's that? Is that Alyssa? No? Dada. Is it Daddy? Did you draw a picture of Daddy? No? What did you draw? Oh, really? That's a lovely picture. Raspberries. Yeah. Go and see. You want to go out there? Yeah, go on then.